Hey everyone, welcome back to Guru's Library. So today I'm going to review a very famous book, which is like 21 lessons from the 21st century. And it's also written by Yuval Noah Harari. So unlike Sapiens, which explored the past, and the Homo Deus, which talks about the future, this book 21 lessons from 21st century, it talks about what challenges that we are facing today. So in our present. So yes, we will deep dive into the key takeaways from this insightful and thought-provoking read. So yeah, let's just go about it. So 21 Lessons for the 21st Century is a collection of essays so that focuses on the most pressing issues that we are facing in our time. So like this book is actually it talks about more of a topics like it covers a wide range of topics. For example, topics like technology, then the politics, the today's politics, how it's going. Then it also talks about personal well-being. So that is one of the much more it's a trending topic in today's world. So it talks about that, and like it also suggests, like, based on these issues, how we can actually take some actions, how we can actually create certain decisions that can make our future better. So yeah, this book will tell you all of these things. So yeah, let's just deep dive into some of the themes, key themes, and takeaways from this interesting book. So there are many other themes that I have already discussed in Sapiens and as well as in Homo Deus. In 21 Lessons from 21st Century, there are certain issues which is, it's a problem that we are facing today. So the first key theme from this book is the disillusionment with politics and society. So as you know, as we already have certain system of political atmosphere in our country. For example, democracy. Then like countries which are fulfilled with democracy. Then countries like China, where communism is the political structure that they used to follow. So is it going to be the same, as we are very much aware how the technology, how the information is getting spread via social media and other platforms? So in that case, how the struggle from the old concepts and theories that was already it was invented that time, it's now going to adapt to these future technologies and play a very crucial role in our today's political and the societal structure. So the first key themes and issues is related to that. Now the second thing is the impact of technology and on humanity. So as Homo Deus, the role of artificial intelligence, so it was already discussed. So right now, as many of the things which are being generated via AI, and as well as a lot of jobs, for example, customer success executive, then copywriting, then as well as many content creation, which was a kind of a job where they used to get a lot of amount. So as all of these things are getting replaced very slowly, but it is going to be replaced completely in just next few months, or maybe 1 or 2 years. So how this shift will be a challenge, and how we can actually use it to make something better, so that even if one job is going away, so what additional job it can bring. So the impact of technology on humanity is the second key theme, which is discussing this issue. Now the third problem is, the third key theme is the threat of misinformation. As you know, social media is a platform where we are actually connected with all of these people who are from different countries. So one misinformation from one country can actually bring a lot of problems in the whole world. So using social media channels and platforms, to spread a lot of rumors and fake information is also a wide challenging situation which we are facing right now. So this book also talks about that. And the last one is the importance of clarity and focus. So this book will end with a personal lesson, like how we can actually be much more informed what is being there in this world and what we are shown. So in that case, how that kind of differentiation we are going to do, and how we can be much more clear what we are actually observing. And in this way, this clarity and focus is one of the key theme of this book, which we have to be sure, like how we are going to make that thing possible. So these four key themes are the core concepts, which is like the it's very important in this book, 21 Lessons from the 21st Century. Now the question is, who should read this book? So first step is, if you have already read Sapiens and Homo Deus, then obviously you should go for this, because this is the third installment of the Yuval Noah Harari series. And in that case, like, understanding the present situation is something which will give you much more clarity, and the issues that is being mentioned in this book, how it is different from the earlier two books. So in that case, you can read this book. The second point is, if you are very curious to know about the present situations, like what is happening in this world, what type of things that we are seeing on a daily basis, so how it is actually impacting our decision making, how it's actually impacting our gaining knowledge to certain things. So in that case, 21 Lessons for the 21st Century will be the best read for you, and you should actually go for it. So in that case, you can decide. And the third thing is, as I have already stated in my Homo Deus review, like, as this book actually talks about a lot of complex problems, which is like not very easy to understand. So if you are already in touch with the information which is currently going on, current affairs, or maybe situations which is related to politics, technology and other things, so in that case, if you have a basic level of understanding, and you are in the process of knowing it every day, you are reading news, you are watching videos, articles and other stuff, so in that case you can go for it. Or else you can first have a proper understanding of those concepts, and then you can try this book. Also, if you are ready for doing a much more deep research, so on that basis you can go for this book, because there may be a such certain situation where certain concept may not be easy to understand initially. Then you have to go back to Google, you have to search it, and then maybe 2 to 3 articles you have to read on Google, and on that basis you can get a complete idea of like what that particular issue is. So that kind of transition, that kind of research is also necessary. So if you're ready to do that, so in that case this book is perfect for you. So yeah. So what I loved about this book is many of the issues that I am presently observing, for example, related to social media misinformation. As one post, it actually gets viral, so how it is actually spreading a lot of disturbance in the whole world, and based on that people used to believe that particular rumors. So this is the major issue which I am observing, and it's actually illustrated in a very better way in this book. So because of which I connected with that content, and I really like that content. So that issue was something which I observed. And also the future of technology, where we are seeing presently like how different jobs are getting replaced, or maybe like it's getting suppressed with the ratio of hiring as it is getting impacted. So that kind of situation is something which I really like, that how it is being mentioned in this book. So that was the another thing. So similarly, there are many other concepts which I really find it very helpful. But yes, there are certain situations where you can disagree with the ideology, maybe the philosophical understanding, because of the views, because of the opinions of different people. It may happen that I believe in a certain kind of a decision making or an ideology, but the author, it is like going in a very, in a unidirectional way. So in that case, I may not agree with him, but I mean, opinions are like, it's subjective. So in that case, I mean, you should read about it, you should have a perspective, and you should understand like what author is trying to say. But based on that, I generally feel you should make your decision. You should agree or disagree with that comment or with that statement. But yes, you should actually read about like how it is being displayed in that book. So yeah, some of these philosophical and ideological differences that I see, which may or may not be correct, but yes, that is the point of view of that author, and I think based on that, it's just the things that I wanted to understand how it is being said in this book. So yeah, overall this book is really interesting. You will get to know a lot of things which is going right now, and it may also interest you with certain concepts which are going forward we will see in this world. So maybe related to some social media matrix that is, it's getting it's getting very much highlighted, and how it is actually getting famous to know about yourself. It's getting information from you, it's predicting some algorithms, like for example ads. So as you see a lot of ads based, maybe you see a lot of content based on your personal interest, so how those ads are actually getting displayed. So such algorithm learning is something which is currently in the phase of developing a lot of certain metrics which can be tracked, which can actually track your behavior. So it is being introduced. So in that way, it will give you a real life experience, and you will actually enjoy this book a lot. So in the last, I would say, if you like this video, so yeah, please share it with your friends, share it with your fellow readers, and also let me know your thoughts in the comment section, like how the present situation, the present challenges that you see in this world, it's actually impacting our life. So your opinions, your thoughts, you can share it in the comment section. And also let me know, like, if you have already read this book, so like tell me your experience with this book and the other books of Yuval Noah Harari that you have already read. So yeah, please share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell, and I'll meet you in another video with some another book review, and we will make something very interesting. So yeah, till then, yeah, take care of yourself, and bye bye.